So dear students, I am going to be continue the concepts of the differentiation. So before we are going to be studied how the differentiation is continuous at x equal to a. Now we are going to be continue some formulas, some basic formulas of the differentiation. So write down some derivative of or differentiation of some basic functions. Differentiation of some basic functions. So these formula are very important. If you know these formula, then only you can solve the examples very easily. So I will make it a two parts. One is I will consider y equal to f of x, and another I will consider it as the dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. So here y is also equal as the f of x also on the y and on the. Here dy by dx means the differentiation of y with respect to x. Here this function is differentiable. After the differentiation, what you get? F dash of x. So in the example, they will give the examples are made in the term of y, or they may give in terms of the f of x. Getting? Okay. For the domain should be the x only. Okay. So whenever the first one formula y equal to k, next one y equal to x raised to n, next one y equal to 1 divided by x raised to n, y equal to root of x, y equal to sine of x, here also y equal to f of x, dy by dx, y equal to f of x, dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. Okay. Y equal to cos of x, this is the sixth one. Seventh one. Y equal to tan of x, y equal to cosec of x, y equal to sec of x, y equal to cot of x, y equal to e raised to x, y equal to a raised to x, y equal to log of x, y equal to x. So here they will give them some basic functions as present in the left hand side. So these are the left hand side, those are the part, those are the basic function. So after the differentiation, what we get to, that we are going to write in the right hand side. Whenever they will ask it for the LHS terms, we have to differentiate with respect to x, and we have to write in the terms of dy by dx or the f dash of x. Okay. So here the differentiation of constant term, constant, that is k. That k is nothing but here the domain should not be in terms of x. For example, if they give, I will let you know, if they give the example like if y equal to 100. So here in the 100 any x term is there? No. So that time we can consider this one as the what? Constant. So directly, so that time the dy by dx should be what? 0. Without any hesitation, without any fearness, without any confusion, we can write this constant term differentiation it as the what? 0. If they give y, then we have to write down the differentiation with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to 0. If they give the example is like, for example, if they give it like in the trigonometric function, that is the sine of t. Is there any x value present here? Is there any domain is containing the x? No. then also this is the differentiation is not 0. With respect to x, this is because the domain should not contain any x term. If there is a x term, then only we can differentiate with respect to x. So you will come to know after solving some basic examples. Okay. After this formula, I will solve some basic examples so that I will get some basic idea. Okay. So the differentiation of y x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So how we get the differentiation of x raised to n as n into x raised to n minus 1? Can you remember this one? How do you get this one? How means, so in the previous year already we have included all the formulas of this differentiation. The differentiation there they have given it as what? The derivative. Very simple. Differentiation andru ondare, derivative andru onda. Getting? So by using the first principle of the derivative only we can prove this all the basic functions, the differentiation. Getting? Then what is the, so the x raised to n is very different than the 1 by x raised to n. So this is in the denominator, this is in the what? Numerator. So this is, the denominator is minus n divided by x raised to n plus 1. Then what is the differentiation of root x is 1 divided by 2 root of x. So how we get this root x as 1 divided by 2 root of x? For example, if I solve here, then root x means we can take it as the x raised to 1 by 2. So now it is in the form of x raised to n. Is it? So what is the differentiation of x raised to n is n. X raised to n minus 1. Get it? This is 1 by 2. X raised to here after the LCM what you get? Minus 1 by 2. Then shall I take this x raised to minus 1 by 2 to the denominator? Then what you get? 2x raised to plus 1 by 2. Then what is x raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 divided by 2 root of x. So the differentiation of root of x is nothing but what? 1 divided by 2 root of x. Then the differentiation of the sin x is what? Cos x. Then the next one, the differentiation of cos x is what? Minus of sin x. So whenever you get the differentiation term starts with the c, their differentiation in the negative form. Negative negative answer irtave. Getting? Cos, cosec, cot. Getting? The differentiation of tan x is what? Sec square x or secant square x. Then the differentiation of cosec x is what? Minus cosec x into cot x. So already I told you that the letter will start with the c in the trigonometric function, their answer will be in the negative. Next, the differentiation of sec x is what? Sec x into tan x. The differentiation of cot x is what? Minus cosec square x. Then the differentiation of e raised to x is what? E raised to x. Then what will be the, can you tell me, what is the differentiation of e raised to a? What is the differentiation of e raised to a? Is there any x term present in the order? Then what you can write it as? Directly c. Getting? If it is a cosec a, then what will be the differentiation? But 0. Getting? This is what the basic thing that you have to be learned. So after some learning example, you come to know the basic thing of this differentiation. Okay. Then what is the differentiation of a raised to x is? A raised to x log of a. Then what is the differentiation of log x is? That is 1 divided by x. Then what is the differentiation of x? What is the differentiation of x? That is 1. Because this is in the x raised to n. Look here. This is x raised to 1. 1 x raised to 1 minus 1, n into x raised to n minus 1. That is 1 into x raised to 0 n is 1 into 1 is again 1. So the differentiation of x is what? 1. Pause model. The next one, this is about the differentiation of some basic function. So if you have any doubts, so you can ask me by personally by calling through. Okay. So we got all those dy by dx by using the what? The first principle only. And one more thing, if you know well these all the formula, then it is very easy to solve some basic functions of the differentiation. Don't forget, each and everyone should do those formulas. And when the college gets starts now, so that time I will ask definitely in the first class. Okay? Okay. So next one is about the algebra of derivatives. Algebra in the sense of what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. Algebra derivatives or algebra of differentiation you can write. The next one is the algebra of differentiation or derivative you can write. So what is the algebra of differentiation? If I take the first one, the function that is u plus or minus v, either the u plus v or u minus v. So that time be different. Or else you can write this one as what? Y equal to or f of x equal to. So this y is contained in terms of the domain as the x, or you can write this one as the f of x equal to u plus v also. So that time what we get the dy by dx is, so this u plus or minus v means, so this is what u is different, v is different. Getting? Because in between middle we have the what? The plus or the minus. Whenever in between the two functions we have the plus or minus, we have to differentiate both the function separately. So that time what we get? This one, this u with respect to x. Differentiation of u with respect to x plus or minus dv by dx. Or else some are like write it like that is u dash plus or minus v dash. U dash is also same as like du by dx. That u dash is nothing but what? You are going to differentiate this u with respect to x. Next one is about, and some are like write it like a f of x plus or minus g of x. So that time what you get? F dash of x plus g dash of x, like that. Okay. Okay. The next one is about y equal to u into v. So u into v it is. Here we can't differentiate separately u and v separately like u plus or minus v. Here both are in the form of the multiple form. So first what I will do, I will keep the first one term u as it is. Then I differentiate the second term with respect to x. So that time what we get? dv by dx. Getting? Next, keep the plus, then keep the second term as it is, then differentiate the first term with respect to x. This is how we do the differentiation of the algebraic in terms of the u into v, that is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Or else you can do that like as, you can keep the second term as it is, and you can do the first term, the differentiation with respect to x, then plus you can keep the first term as it is, and then you can do the differentiation the second term. Because in between you have the plus. Because 1 plus 2 is again 3, 2 plus 1 is also again 3. Don't worry. Okay. The terms will not get changed. Okay. The third one. The next one, when the y equal to when we have the y equal to sound is when we have the y equal to u divided by v. So this is the very important whenever we have in the form of p by q. Whenever we have the p by q. So that time how we are going to be differentiate? First you keep the v as it is. Then differentiate the first term, that is numerator term. First keep the denominator term as it is, then differentiate the numerator term with respect to x, that is du by dx. Then minus, this is the very important. Next, keep the first term as it is, the numerator term as it is, then the denominator term with respect to x, that is dv by dx whole divided by v square. This is a very important. This is how? This is a very important formula. Getting? Whenever we have the u by v, first keep the denominator term v as it is, then differentiate the numerator term with respect to x, then keep the minus is very important. Then keep the first term as it is, then differentiate the denominator term with respect to x, then whole divided by what? V square. One more we have. When y equal to uv into w. So these are all the in the what? In terms of what? The multiple form. So here, whenever we have the multiple form, in between we have the plus sign we are going to use. Here also be the same. Getting? So first I keep uv as it is, then I will differentiate the third term with respect to x, that is dw by dx. Or we can write it as w dash. Getting? Next, slash. I will keep the first and last term as it is, and I will differentiate the second term, that is u dv by dx into w. Next, plus I will keep the second and third term as it is, and I will differentiate the first term with respect to x, du by dx, then it is vw. Or else you can do the first this one, the second this one, or else third this one. Getting? So this is what the differentiation of algebraic function with respect to the x. Got it? So depending on this formula, we are going to solve some basic examples. Okay? So even though you should know the how to solve the example by using this algebraic differentiations. Okay? These are also very important. Enter. Sato, examples next class. Stop.